days and there are days. Days you will remember for a whole lifetime. In this case, material things. But the journey to reach a dream, the emotion to stop and enjoy that moment fully. A short break in the day-to-day struggle. Well, let me share it with you. Today I'm standing here with my beauty, the C5. But you know, as you maybe figured out by my intro, there's coming a new friend along with my C5. So I can admit I am like a child on a Christmas day today. Been up since 5 o'clock and I got the call. It's coming. As I'm running around here making space for my new arrival, the thoughts runs through your mind of finally reach the day, you know, when you can take credit of yourself in your life and do a thing that you have been dreaming of the whole life. And according to the driver, which have my car loaded upon the trailer, he's here in about 10 minutes. So, you know the heart rate when you have something going on in your life that really triggers all of your senses. Well, it's hard to describe, but I think you know what I mean. Oh, my goodness. Am I nervous or not? I think so. Well. First time in my life, I really am seeing my dream car. My Christ. Look at it. There it is. Tjena! Det är Corvette-mannen som du förstår. Jag måste ju föreviga. Well then, I cannot complain. Well, then it's time. First ever cold start I had on my new arrival. That wasn't a bad one. Fucking whipped my ear. Nu känns det som du är rätt. Ja. Ja just det, jag ser den blev grymt hög. Faktiskt. Nej. Ja. Ja. So, first time. Even driving this car. Whew. Feels a bit nervous. Ooh. Haven't put the seats in the right position, so my God, am I a happy guy or not? I think I'm more than happy. My Christ, this feels insane. Look at this thing. Absurd. Christ. How many times in life, except when you were young or maybe met your first girl, you're shaking because, yeah, you know why. Yes, I have to drive this one in the garage. Åh, vad tycks? You know what? I did try to document my feelings and everything with my new C8. But strangely, weirdly, and a bit cool, it felt like I were some kind of celebrity. The whole day people came into my place. Yeah, you know. So now it's nighttime and I couldn't resist to go back and have myself another look. I mean, my God. It still feels unreal. Yes, indeed, it feels. Yeah, I have no good words for it. Nothing else, but I need to listen to one last good night start up. A cold start. Let's see if it works. And the smell. Yeah. How good do you think I will sleep this night? Well, thanks for looking, and see you in my next video.